Hey guys, what's up? So, I just made this YouTube channel, Fake Modern World at War. It's modding, it's like a trolling modding type thing. Yeah. Well, I do glitches and things like that. I teach you guys things about jailbreaking phones and stuff. Jailbreaking iPhones, iPods, modding games on them. I'm using a USB mod for Word at Work since I don't have my jailbroke. Since it did break. Crap. Yeah, so sorry about the audio. I am not very glad of it, or very proud of it, because I sold my headset for like $20 and that could have been way better audio. But yeah, you can get my gamer tag. I don't really have that many friends on here. Fake modder, sorry, there's a leaning fake modder Word at War. YouTube/Future Vapors, that's my YouTube channel. If you didn't know that, then please sub though, leave a like, and yeah, peace out guys, talk to you later.